Oji Forest, Sarufutsu. This forest is located in northern Hokkaido. It is the largest of Oji Group's domestic forests. It is a precious area, rich in nature. We are now taking up a new challenge here.
2022年頃から環境系の国際目標としてカーボンニュートラルに加えてネイチャーポジティブという新しい言葉が出てくるようになりました。これまで人間が悪くし続けてきた自然の状態を回復しなければならないというそういうようなものになります。
Nature positive means halting and reversing the loss of biodiversity to put nature on a recovery track.
当社は国内外に64万ヘクタールの森林を保有してそれを持続的に管理する事業を営んでいます。
つまり森を育て森を生かす、そしてその森からさまざまな価値を最大限引き出すと、そういうようなことを目指しておりまして、このネイチャーポジティブへの取り組みというのもどんどん推進していきたいと考えています。
We will reconcile our business activities and ecosystem conservation while aiming to achieve restoration that enhances the condition of nature. As a first step towards being nature positive, the Oji Group has started the Forest Values Visualization Project to understand the condition of nature.
They increasingly require quite detailed monitoring of nature and biodiversity data. And that means not just monitoring from satellites. It means not just using sort of data layers. It means actually having ground-based data where you go in and you collect data on the ground.
So in terms of the method to evaluate or visualize nature, I think there is no standard at this stage, even in academia. But I think the important thing is to move forward before such standard has been established. In that way, I think Oji will be able to create its own method, like Oji model. We see connection between nature and economic value, and Oji definitely will see such future. And I think the first step towards that future is the evaluation of the nature, and we are doing together now.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I think we are moving forward.
It is believed that humans' impacts on the Earth system have exceeded the limits of these systems, the planetary boundaries. Environmental change related to forests has accelerated over the past several years, and global-scale discussion is more necessary than ever. Looking ahead to the next 150 years, the Oji Group continues to take on the challenge of growing and utilizing forests.